Hi friends, in today's video we will see what is meant by fore bearing and back bearing. So as we have seen what is meant by bearing, what is meant by whole circle bearing, what is meant by quadrantal bearing. Now it's time to look at the fore bearing and back bearing. So first of all, let's see what is meant by fore bearing. Fore bearing is nothing but the bearing measured in the direction of progress of survey, right? Fore bearing is nothing but the bearing measured in the direction of progress of survey, right? And what is back bearing? Back bearing, it is nothing but the bearing measured in the opposite direction of progress of survey. We will see with the one example. Okay, so bearing of a line in the direction of progress of survey, bearing of line in the opposite direction of the progress of survey. If I draw a line, let's say this is line A B, right? And this is the north direction. This is the north direction. Then fore bearing of line AB is nothing but the angle made by this line AB. Let's say this is the direction, right? We are calling it as AB. So this is the direction of progress of the survey. So this angle which this line makes at A with the north direction in the progress of survey, right? Now let's say back bearing. Now when you want to find out the back bearing of line AB, how you are going to find out? In the opposite direction of the progress of survey. So our direction of progress of survey is AB, so opposite direction will be BA. So we have to find out the angle made by this line at B. So please remember, whenever there is a line called, let's say, AB, fore bearing is the angle made by that line at A, and back bearing is nothing but the angle made by that line at B. Okay. Now what is the relation between fore bearing and back bearing? So the difference between them is fore bearing and back bearing. The difference between two is 180 degree always. Please remember, the relation between fore bearing and back bearing is that the difference between fore bearing and back bearing is always 180 degree. Okay.